MariaDB is the fastest-growing open-source database. Started by the founders of MySQL, MariaDB Corporation is reinventing the relational database to support today's enterprise needs, from OLTP to analytics. The company builds MariaDB Server and complementary products, including MariaDB MaxScale and MariaDB Column Store, that are valuable for large, mission-critical environments. Businesses and developers use MariaDB Server to support applications, ranging from new web-scale, customer-facing, fast-moving applications to re-platformed legacy applications that they want to transition from Oracle or other legacy databases. Key requirements that drive selection of MariaDB are security, world-class support, and a modern, unique architecture, which is extensible at every layer, so users and the community can extend functionality to meet unique needs. The frequency and quality of community contributions are one of MariaDB's greatest advantages over other open-source and proprietary databases. The active MariaDB community innovates and contributes to various layers of MariaDB architecture, like a parser, cluster, and storage engine. Community contributions are one of the biggest reasons why we are the fastest-growing open-source database in the marketplace. This innovation is facilitated by our modern and extensible architecture. Let's go through the journey of how MariaDB Extensible architecture is designed to accelerate, sustain, and facilitate active community innovation. Let's start from the very beginning, when MariaDB first took off from the MySQL code base. As a drop-in replacement, MariaDB started with the core components of the MySQL architecture, which includes the parser and optimizer in the kernel layer, and two standard storage engines. In order to extend the vision of open source and leverage strong community innovation, MariaDB modernized the architecture by adding new components in every layer. As this journey takes place, we will demonstrate the richness of this architecture and its evolution over time. MariaDB was intentionally designed to allow easy extensibility at the storage layer. Having the right storage engine for the right use case is key to a successful deployment. For example, for a transactional workload with high volumes of data, MyROX is an optimal storage engine to provide great compression efficiency, whereas for an analytical workload, Column Store provides faster time to insight with massively parallel distributed query execution. With that as a guiding principle, the MariaDB Storage Layer API was designed to allow the community to build the storage engine. The community has done a lot of work with the Storage Layer API. Along with continued support for lightweight and transactional workloads through InnoDB and memory, storage engines have extended to support high performance and scalability through Spider Storage Engine for data partitioning and MyROX, which is a SQL-based key-value store workload built on RoxDB. For a whole new class of analytic use cases from the same interface as transactional, we introduced MariaDB Column Store. In addition, Connect Storage Engine offers management of external data. We have also developed storage engines for special use cases like graph analytics and text search with OQGraphic and Marunga. MariaDB has also been a big driver of new functionality in the kernel with a connection pool that can handle a large number of concurrent users without a drop in performance. And MariaDB has provided many new plugins for enhanced security, such as authentication, key management systems, and audit. When it comes to extending MariaDB Server to distributed environments, there has been massive acceleration of innovation from both the MariaDB community and the MariaDB Corporation. One of the most notable community innovations is Galera, which delivers MariaDB multi-master cluster functionality, as well as MaxScale, which is a database proxy. For high availability and/or distributed environments, Galera and MaxScale would be a great choice. When an IT organization chooses MariaDB Server, it benefits from the expertise, functionality, and rapid innovation that comes from the corporation and the community. Our users contribute to the architecture, whether on the scale of something like MyROX, which opens a whole new set of web-scale use cases, or something that can be customized to customer-specific use cases. Either way, MariaDB's modern, extensible architecture provides a unique advantage to MariaDB users. They can better augment the database to meet specific use case needs and benefit from a wide set of contributions from the community. If you want to learn more, visit MariaDB.com and download MariaDB today.